Hey loves, so today I'm finally back with my new house tour, and yes, I call this house a mini mansion because that's what it basically is to me. It's a 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom house, and I wanted to show you guys an empty house tour. So loves, before I get into sharing with you guys the layout of our new house, I wanted to share with you guys a little bit of the journey to getting to this house, just in case you're new to this channel or you just haven't been following the actual journey to getting to the house we're in now. So hubby and I, we got engaged literally this time last year, and we were both living in Maryland at the time. I had just went through a divorce and he had just went through a terrible relationship, and he's from Florida. So he had lived in Florida his whole entire life, and he had gotten a job offer in Maryland. So that's how he ended up in Maryland, and I ended up back in Maryland after my divorce. So we ended up meeting each other in Maryland. After we got engaged, we knew we wanted to move out into our own place. So around, I think it was like November or December of last year, we went house shopping. We quickly realized in Maryland the cost of living was way too high. Even on a 6-figure income, all that we could afford was a 3-bedroom apartment. And even a 3-bedroom apartment was pushing it for us. A 3-bedroom apartment shouldn't be pushing it, especially when you have 2 kids and you want to have a yard and you want to have space. So we just went with what we could get, and we got our 3-bedroom apartment, and it was 2 bathrooms. And I did do a house tour on that, so I will have that link down below. But anyways, we realized that space was definitely too small for us. We realized we needed a bigger space, we needed a yard, and we just needed a bigger house. So fast forward to this year, I think around May of this year, we decided we had to move down south. We had to move somewhere where the cost of living would be cheaper. We knew that we wanted to either move back to Florida, because I had lived in Florida previously during my marriage and he grew up in Florida. Or we could move to Georgia, because we knew that he could just get a job transfer down to Georgia, work the same position and everything with the same company, but in Georgia. So what ended up working out for us was my hubby transferring to a job in Georgia. He's working for the same company. He's pretty much working the same position he worked before, just making a little bit more money. After we made the decision that we wanted to move to Georgia and he got the job, we realized we had to find a house fairly quickly, because he would be starting his new job in Georgia within a month of him, you know, accepting the position. So we came down to Georgia, we went house hunting. And it's crazy because the price we paid for our apartment, our 3-bedroom apartment in Maryland, we realized we can get a 4- to 5-bedroom house in Georgia. Like, that's insane how the cost of living in Maryland and DC is so much higher. And even in New York, the cost of living is so much higher, and we can get so much more for our money down here in Georgia. So I wanted to show you guys our house. We paid pretty much the exact same thing we paid in Maryland for our apartment for our house that we have now. And so yeah, now we have a 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom, and it's 4 full bathrooms house. It's huge. I love it. My kids love it. My son tells me literally on a daily basis how much he loves this house. Even when we moved into this house, for the first, I think, 3 nights, we had no furniture because our furniture was still on the way with the moving company. And the whole moving company situation was a disaster, but I'm not gonna go into that. But anyways, we got our furniture 3 days later. Even when we were sleeping on the floor in this house, my son Isaac still told me how much he loved this house. So that's just how much he loves the city that we now live in. We live, I think, a half an hour away from Atlanta. I just wanted to share with you guys the whole journey to getting into this house and why we decided to move to Georgia. I love living in the South regardless, so even if the cost of living in Maryland wasn't as high as it is, I always knew that I wanted to move back down south. I always knew that I wanted to end up in Georgia or Florida, and we still might end up deciding to go to Florida eventually, but right now I'm really loving our house in Georgia. I'm loving the city we live in. Hubby's loving his job. He's loving the people that he's working with now. So right now we are very happy in the space that we're in. And so let me just get into showing you guys our current house. And I just wanted to remind you, this house that we live in is the exact same cost monthly as our 3-bedroom tiny apartment in Maryland. So let's get into the house tour. Hey loves, so we are finally going to do our new house tour. This is the house that we just moved into today. We have absolutely no furniture yet. Our furniture is still on the way, but I wanted to show you guys an empty house tour. So this is the front door with super high ceilings. That's the front door down there. And right now I'm on the staircase. You can either go to the left or you can go to the right. So I'm going to show you guys the first room to the left. So this is the first room to the left. This is actually considered a bonus room. It's really small. I have no idea what I'm going to do with it. It is a small room to the front of the house, so you can see the house is in the front. And then there is a bathroom that's off of this room. So this is a full bathroom. This is the first full bathroom. It has a shower, the toilet, and then it also has a sink. And then this room also has a closet. So it's kind of like a bedroom, but not a bedroom because it doesn't have a door to it. So yeah, it has the closet and then it has the full bathroom. And then we head back on out of this room. And when you head out of this room, you see the front door. And there's just so much light in this house. And then you also see the staircase. And then you can go down that hallway and you can get to the kitchen, or you can get to the kitchen from these two rooms. So this is the formal dining room and formal living room. And I love the open floor plan. I love the fact that this is just one really long room. And I'm thinking as just using it as a big family room where we just put our TV and our couches and the kids have a ton of room to play. That's what I'm thinking right now, but I'm not quite sure exactly what I'm gonna do with this really long and spacious room. So this has a window towards the front of the house. And then of course, when we turn around, there's also a window towards the back of the house. There's two columns on either side as well. Kind of wish those columns weren't there, and then that would make things so much easier without the columns. But this is the back of the house and you can see our backyard. So we turn back around and that is just how long and deep this room is. So you can enter the kitchen from the formal dining room right here, but you can also enter the kitchen the other way that I showed you guys from the front of the house, and we're gonna enter the kitchen from that area. So let's go to the front of the house, back where the front door was, and back where the stairs is, the bonus bedroom, and then let's enter the kitchen from this hallway. So from this hallway, you can make a right down there. So if you go down there, you will end up to the garage and that same bathroom that I just showed you. Or you can go straight and you end up into the kitchen, and this kitchen is absolutely gorgeous. Love it. Here's the formal dining room, and this is the kitchen with the granite countertops. I love that the kitchen is so incredibly spacious. Love it. Tons of counter space, and they actually provided us with a brand new refrigerator. Love that as well. The stove, the microwave, the cabinets. And then you turn around this way and we have a very large area for our dining room table. We have a 6-seater dining room table, and look at all that space for a dining room table. Tons and tons and tons of space for our dining room table. So I love that. You take a step down and we have kind of like a family room. I was hoping that this would be like a great room, a ginormous room to chill out in, but it's actually kind of small, which is why I'm thinking of using the formal dining room, living room for our quote unquote great room instead of this room, since it's a lot smaller. Loving this house regardless. So when you get into the family room, we do have a fireplace, and above the fireplace you can mount your TV. It has all the things you need to mount your TV above there. So yeah, that's the fireplace. And from here you can head on out into the gorgeous backyard. So the backyard is absolutely perfect, loves. So this is the backyard. I mean, the grass is so green and perfect. It's almost like it's not real. We also have a nice patio space where we can eat at, chill at. And this house has been well taken care of. And you can tell that in comparison to all the other houses we looked at. Like, we moved into this house sight unseen, only from the pictures that we saw online. So we knew that in person it could be like dirty and nasty, but it's not. So we go around the corner and this is another entrance to the kitchen. So there's like 3 different entrances to the kitchen area. But when you turn around this way, we have a closet. It's like a little pantry. And then we have the garage. It's a 2-car garage. It's kind of small for a 2-car garage, honestly, but it'll do. And we have all of our stuff right here. I told my hubby, I was like, we can't bring it inside yet because I have to do an empty house tour. So all of our stuff is right here. And then of course we have a lot of stuff coming with the movers, but that's the stuff we're gonna have for right now. And then this right here is the door to the bathroom that I had showed you already. So this is the bathroom I had showed you already. And all of the bathrooms we have in this house are full bathrooms with showers. Every single one of them, all 4 of them, full bathrooms with showers. So we're back into the bonus room. And I think I showed you everything downstairs so far. Oh yeah, what I didn't show you in the kitchen, I think, is one pantry. This right here is the pantry. I'm not gonna open it because I already put stuff in there and it's kind of messy. You can see for the most part downstairs is wood flooring. There is carpet upstairs and there is carpet in this room right here. But other than that, everything else is wood flooring down here. And the wood flooring is really shiny and really pretty. They have definitely kept this house up really nicely. So let's go upstairs. So I also wanted to show you guys the railing up there. I was definitely scared about that. I still am. I don't want my kids trying to climb through those little railings or trying to hop off those railings. I'm a little worried about that. I have to get used to these railings the way that they are, but yeah, let's head on upstairs. So upstairs is huge. I'm gonna be a little bit more quiet because my baby's sleeping. So we have this little area right here, and I don't know what you do with this area. It's just kind of an open area. It even has a socket right here. So I don't know what you would plug into the socket right here, but it's just basically an open area to do whatever you want with. So this first bedroom right here, this house is 5 bedrooms. This first bedroom right here is going to be my hubby's office. So he has a nice big room with high ceilings, lots of natural lighting for his office, and it also has a closet. It's basically just like a regular bedroom that he's gonna be using for his office because he works from home a lot. So we head back on out of the first bedroom. We head around the corner and we have the laundry room. So here is the laundry room. Nice big laundry room. We actually do have to purchase washers and dryers because this house does not come with that. But that's the laundry room. Turn around that corner and here we have the master bedroom, which is huge. So my son's sleeping right there on the floor because we don't have our beds yet. But this is the master. High ceilings, high vaulted ceilings. So we have all this room around here. Then we have more room around here. More room and more room. This master is huge. This is definitely the biggest master bedroom I've ever had in life. And we also have a fireplace in this master bedroom. So the good thing about this master bedroom is we have a pool view from our master bedroom. So that's the community pool out there. You can see people walking to the pool. You can see people playing in the pool, and you can see how crowded the pool is and decide if you want to go to the pool on what day and what time. Then you can see a little playground over there and the tennis courts and all that stuff. So we're right next to the pool. Our house is right next to the pool. So I have to figure out how we're gonna arrange our master bedroom furniture, but let's see what else is in the master bedroom. So we have a nice walk-in closet. Now I just have some stuff right there, but it's a nice deep walk-in closet. And I think this entire closet will be mine because hubby doesn't have that many clothes and his clothes can fit in his office closet. So this will be my master bedroom closet. All mine, love it. So now we have the master bedroom bathroom. So we have the toilet room. That's the first thing you see. Let me see if I can turn on some lights. So that's the first thing you see is the toilet room. Then we have the jacuzzi style bathtub. This also faces the pool. And then we have the stand-up shower. And I love the fact that there's so many bathrooms because hubby and I don't share bathrooms. Yeah, there's just tons of bathrooms. Everyone can have their own separate bathrooms. And then there's the double sinks. Next to the double sinks, we have a closet. Little closet where you can put your towels or your cosmetics, anything you want in that little closet right there. So let's head back out of the bathroom, back into the master. Baby sleeping, taking his nap. So much room in this master. Anyways, let's go to the next room. So this is the second bedroom. So now we have the third bedroom. This is the Jack and Jill bedroom. These are the two small bedrooms for the kids, basically. So it's just like a square bedroom pretty much. It's very small. It has a closet right here. And then it also has his and her bathroom, I guess. So it has the bathtub right here. And then you can close this door off right here. And then you can also close this door off so that you can take a shower and have your privacy. And the other child can be in this part of the bathroom, you know, taking a dump, washing their face, brushing their teeth or whatever. So it has the his and her Jack and Jill rooms and bathroom. And this is the fourth bedroom. Once again, this is a small bedroom. It's just a square bedroom for your kids. And then it also has a closet. And that's actually AZ up here. Our cat died. Our beautiful cat that passed away. So come around the corner, we have another bathroom. Another full bathroom with sink, toilet, and shower or bathtub. And to exit that bathroom, then we have the last and final bedroom. This is the fifth bedroom. This bedroom will actually be my beauty room. So I love the fact that it has that big window, lots of natural lighting, and yeah. So that is basically our house, our 5-bedroom mini mansion. I'm so excited that this house fell into our lap. It was completely unexpected, last minute. I told you guys the first house we applied to, we didn't get approved to, and we ended up getting a way better house than the house that we applied to. So let me go down the stairs, back to the front door, and just show you guys this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful home. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed my empty house tour.